Hello, I'm back at the parents' house. It is another freezing cold day, and I've got a spare couple of hours, you know, the usual best of pantomime, so I've got some free time. You'll see behind me, my Beetle's wrapped up. It's been like that for probably 6 months now. Barely used it in summer, barely used the car at all. I think it had 2 outings last year. So I've only got a couple hours, so it's going to be quick. I'm going to get it going, get up to temperature, make sure it's all good. I've got some new running boards for it. They're like the side steps on a Beetle. Might fit them, and then going to get just a quick wash and wrap it all back up. I apologise now that it's windy as all hell out here, so the noise or the wind noise might be quite bad. So first things first is to unwrap it. That's the Beetle uncovered without me even trying to start it. I know the battery's flat, so my dad has charged me one in this tent. I'll show you what's in this tent because it's not been on the channel before. I'll spin round for the VW nuts. There's a camper. All restored. Hence why we do old stuff in tents, because we keep doing it. One charged battery, so we'll unplug that, unplug the one in the Beetle, and we'll see what's what. If you've got a spare pair. That's the battery change, so before I start it I'm just going to check the oil. It's been stood a while. It's looking a little bit sorry for itself. So let's just check the oil. Huh. Not on the dipstick. Goody tree. Beautiful. Midway. Right, so filled the oil up. We're gonna crank it over. Hopefully it'll fire. So I'll put you somewhere on grass so you can see and hear what's happening. And yeah, we'll see if it'll start. So that's it started. Oh dear. That's it started. Looking all pretty and whatnot in the background. I'm gonna let it warm up, then we'll move it, have a look at the running boards, see what spanner works on them. I'm gonna get a wash because it's filthy. Maybe get a quick polish up. So yeah, see what's next. So, with how mucky the Beetle is, it looks really clean in these photos. I'm going to clean it off, and then if there's enough daylight, actually tinker with it. So apologies if this is just getting the Beetle running video, but hey, we've got content. I'll quickly show you how mucky it is up close, so it'll be a bit of a montage, something like that. So check in with you guys later. That's the Beetle cleaned and sealed with polish type stuff. It's got an awful lot, I don't know if you can see it in there, of rusty spots. So I'm going to see if I can get that clean. I've got a cone polishing tool that goes on a drill and some metal polish. So if the drill's free, I'm going to have a go at that. So, done the rear bumper. I've just nipped in for a brew, that's why my hat's not on and it's a bit darker. Looks alright. Still needs a bit of TLC, but don't look half bad. Gonna quickly move on to the front bumper. Same again. And then that'll be it for tonight because I'm losing light and it's not in the workshop tonight. So that's the bumpers polished up, only real quick. Gonna wrap the Beetle up, and I don't know when I'll next work on it, but I'll wrap it up and job's a good one. Wrapped up just behind me, and it's quite dark. You can't quite see, but it's quite dark. So a bit of a random video today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. Bit of air cool content, and I will see you next time. Cheers.